Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to make Ankara bra. Now I'll be using this Ankara fabric, scissors and staple. So guys, on your Ankara fabric, this fabric is 2 pieces. Measure 6 inches length and 6 inches width. 6 inches, 6 inches. So what we'll do is from here measure 4 inches this way. You mark your 4 inches. Then here is already 6 inches. So what you just do from here is to draw an arc from this corner now, just like the way I'm doing right now. Remember, this is 2 pieces. So what I will do, I will just trace this out. So I need 3 more for this. Unfold like this. So guys, I have 4 of this now. Remember, they are unfold. So what you do next, this is the front and this is the front. So just do it this way, back facing back this way. You go to your sewing machine, sew from this point to this point, and you do the same for the other piece. Sew from this point to this point. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I am done stitching. So what we'll do now, you pick one of these and the other one, they'll be facing each other this way. Before we go to stitch, you cut out the handle. So this will be for the handle. This is in 2 pieces. The length is, let's measure. So this is 16 inches length and 1.5. So what you do, this is the wrong side and this is the right. On the wrong side, fold this way, like half inch here, half inch here, then fold this way. Then you run your stitch from this end to the other end. So I will do the same for this other part. So I am done with the handle. This handle, I measured my shoulder before I cut it out, so measure your own. Then this one I use 4 inches by 6 inches. These measurements are based on my assumption. When you are doing your own, you can increase your size. If your breast is bigger than my breast, increase the size of your Ankara fabric and measure your shoulder before you cut the handle. So what we'll do next, you pick one of these, then you put one of your handle this way. Let it be inside this way. Then pick the other one. This way. Then you sew. You stitch from this end till this end, and I will do the same for this second. So guys, I'm done stitching. Then you turn it inside out. This is what our bra looks like. So what we'll do now, I'll go back and top stitch this way. Just top stitch from this point to this point, and I'll do the same for this other one. So after I've top stitch, this is what my sewing looks like. You can see our bra have taken shape already. So for the waist, I measured my own waist measurement. Please measure your own. So this is 42 inches. I added 10 inches plus my waist measurement. So let's measure. I folded it into two. It's unfold like this. So as you can see, this is 22. So 22 unfold is 44. My waist measurement is 32. I think I added about 10 or 12 inches to it. So what you do, notch the midpoint, then notch this other part. So you open it. This is the front, this is the right side. Now this is the wrong side. Open it to the right side. This is the right side. So place your cup this way, not on this upper part, on this down part. Now place your cup on this center part where we notch, this way. Then place the other cup beside it on this center part where we notch, this way. So I'm going to stitch from this end to this end. So I'm done stitching. This is what we have. What you do is to, this was the way it was, so just bring it up this way, then you fold ½ inch, then you fold it on it this way, and you sew from one end to the other. When you get to this end, fold this way, ½ inch, ½ inch here, ½ inch here, then you sew from this end to the other end. So guys, I am done stitching, and this is what we have. You can just tie this to your underbust. Just tie this way. Then you tie this to your neck. Guys, we've come to the ending of this Ankara bra tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up